Last year, when I turned 51, I noticed my skin looked duller, less plump. I missed that glow. So I decided I'd give myself 90 days to care for my skin, my body, and my mind. No rush, just some gentle care. This was the starting point. Real skin, live life with all its marks and stories. I wasn't chasing perfection. I just wanted to feel and look beautiful in my own skin. I made a simple plan to do a gentle skincare at least 2 times a week, balance my meals, drink more water daily, walk more often, go to my bed much earlier, have a little to relax and unwind. No extremes, just be consistent. That was my promise to myself. So I first started nourishing from within, just simple water, some wholesome food. I started with basics because skin often reflects what's happening inside. In the mornings, I just try to be gentle with my skin, nothing too harsh. I begin each day gently cleansing my face with just water or a gentle wash to wake up my skin. I would then moisturize my face to lock in the moisture to keep it soft and nice, not to erase age, but to nourish what's within and to support the skin barrier, to keep the softness and to reduce dryness. Some mornings I take a moment to gently massage my face, some slow strokes and a little light pressure here and there. It's not a facelift, just self-care, gentle softness, and being kind to myself. This is how I show up for me, and maybe it reminds you that you deserve moments like that too. Nutrition really matters. Vitamins, good fats, fresh foods. I realized that food doesn't just feed the body, it also influences how vibrant I feel each day. Hydration inside and out is very important. Drinking water, herbal teas, these small rituals I added to support my skin, body, and mood. I started moving more often. It helped me feel better in my body. And whenever I go out in the sun, I always put on my SPF first. For me, wellness isn't skin deep. It's body, soul, and skin all working together. Life doesn't slow down. There's always something to take care of, whether it's family, work, or the everyday things that pile up. But I still found little moments, a sip of water, a healthier snack, a quick walk, and those tiny pockets of care help me stay consistent. Evenings matter to me. I like the calm, a warm cup of tea, a moment to meditate, listen to the Word of God. It's the time when my skin and my whole self can finally unwind. At night, I keep it simple, gentle cleanse, light nourishment. No heavy masks, no unrealistic pressure, just giving my skin a chance to rest the way it needs to. I started journaling about my skin, what I ate, my mood, and my sleep, not for perfection, just to notice the little patterns that helped me feel my best. Week by week, I stayed consistent. Not every day is perfect. Some days I missed steps, and some days my skin behaved differently. But slowly, I kept showing up. After a month, I started noticing small changes. After 2 months, a subtle glow began to return. I won't pretend I became flawless. The little wrinkles are still there. But I felt cared for, and I felt more like myself again. And if you're finding this journey helpful so far, feel free to tap, like, and subscribe. It really supports the channel and helps more women on their own glow journey. Here it is, no filters, just real life. The changes were subtle, but I could honestly see a difference. And glow doesn't mean perfect skin. It just means skin that feels healthy, cared for, and alive. This journey taught me something. Consistency matters. Slow habits matter more than quick fixes. And sometimes it just takes time and patience to notice a difference. Glow isn't only about your skin, it's how you feel when you look in the mirror and how you show up in your own life. It's your food, your movement, your rest, and the way you treat yourself. Sometimes I crave sweets or skip meals, but I try to choose consciously. Nourishment, hydration, balance, small choices that felt good and added up for me. Self-care isn't just a routine, it's a mindset. For me, it's how I treat my skin, my body, and my mind, with consistency, with love, and with patience. If you're over 50 or really any age and you feel like your glow has faded, maybe it isn't gone. Maybe it just needs a little care, some consistency, and a whole lot of love. This video is for educational and lifestyle purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Everyone's skin and body respond differently, so always listen to your own needs and consult a qualified professional when necessary. I'm sharing what worked for me, but your skin, your life, your story is unique. If this spoke to you, whether you've tried something similar or have your own experience, share it with me below. Let's support each other with honesty, care, and real conversations. And if this journey speaks to you, please like this video and subscribe for more gentle wellness and glow content. It truly helps the channel grow and reach more women who need this encouragement. Glow lives in care, consistency, and self-love. I am Carolyn, and see you in the next video.